Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to export Trello to PDF in Excel or CSV. So if you want to export your Trello list in here or cards, then you're onto the right guide. So first to be able to begin, just log in first onto your Trello account and choosing the board that you want to go ahead and export. So we're currently onto my master board already in here. And to export this, we're going to use a power up here onto Trello. So to do so, head here onto the upper right corner of the screen onto these three dots, and you should be able to find in Power Ups. Click onto that, and right after, you should be able to see this pop up wherein you could search onto the different Power Ups that you could use. So we're going to search in here, Board Export. So you should be able to see this one, Board Export, Excel, CSV, PDF, or image. So this will go ahead and quickly and easily export your Trello boards and card information to share insights and boost the visibility of your team's work. So we're going to use this one. We're going to click onto add. And once you have added a power up, you should be able to see that one here onto the upper part of the screen. So let's try to refresh this one first to show the power up. Be able to see something like this right after to board export for Trello. So you'll just need to sign in with your Trello account in here to authorize this. Once you have finished authorizing that or allowing the different settings, then you should be able to see hints, tips, and tricks in your inbox for that. So you'll just need to click on the take me to my board in here to start using this specific power up. So you should be able to see that one in here with a V icon. Click onto that. And right after, you should be able to see something like this. So we're currently onto the free trial in here. So we can see the list that I have onto my board that to do in progress and done. You'll just need to choose onto which one you want to go ahead and export. So we could export the in progress list with 3 cards. Export this list, click onto that, and there is a format. So you could choose for PDF, or if you want to go ahead and choose Excel or CSV, just choose in here. So you could try CSV in here, and you could choose the fields to export, choose all fields for that, and click onto export again. And as you can see, we're going to go ahead and be in progress, and it will automatically download your CSV file. So we could try to go ahead and import our CSV file here onto Google Sheets. And as you can see, it will give you an option to go ahead and import the data from your CSV file. So just click on to import data onto your Google Sheets. And as you can see, it will go ahead and add in here your card name or the different details of your card from Trello. And that is just basically it, how to export Trello to PDF in Excel or CSV. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.